Welcome to the Maryland Gardener channel. Today I'm going to be planting out my garlic, and I'm going to show you what I do when I do my sowing of that. So let me show you the steps. I'm going to be adding some bone meal and some compost as well. This is the compost that's ready that I'm going to use. Um, it's really good. A lot of good worms in it, and this is ready to go. I'm going to actually do 2 beds today, but I'm going to show you just one because I'm not going to have that long a time to do it. So we'll do the this bed here, and I did have the cabbages here, but they didn't do so well after all. They got too infested with slugs and everything, so I couldn't keep them off. So I'm going to turn this into my garlic bed, and so let's get that started. So what I do first is you want to break up the soil a little bit. I'm going to add some bone meal. This is for the phosphorus, and it's good for garlic. You want to add some bone meal to it, mix it in the soil. So sprinkle that. Want to mix it in. Mix that in well. Okay. That's going to help us with the grow those big bulbs for you. No, Lucy, come on. She likes that bone meal. No, no, no. No. All right, let's get some compost in there. No, Lucy. Oh, no. No, no, no. Out. All right. Now this has got leaves, coffee grounds, lettuce, scraps, uh, grass, and leaves, everything, paper. It's become very good compost. It's got a lot of worms in it too, so it's not only gonna help my garlics, but it's also gonna amend the bed as well. So it's a win-win because I'm amending my soil and planting my garlic there. So I'm gonna do my other bed the same exact way. This thing's full of worms. Look at here. I don't know if you can see them. Right there. All right. Spread it out. Mix it in a little bit. All right. Okay. So this is what I'm planting today. It's garlic I bought from the seed shop, and I have some of my own that I'm going to plant as well. And there's a garlic, hardneck garlic called Music, and it's a really good garlic. I've planted it some time ago, and it did pretty well. So you want to plant these about 3 inches deep. I'm doing 3 inches deep and about 3 inches apart, and then just trying to get them in a straight row. So I got a little guide stick. Deep. All right. Let's do 3 inches here. You can go below the compost. Get some of that soil. I'm not going to have too many cloves, so I'm just going to spread them out like this. So we've got about 30 or 40 cloves. So I'm going to probably do a different kind of garlic here to finish it up. Alright, so usually want to try and get the biggest cloves. Big cloves are going to give you big garlic. So try and use the big ones if you can. Just plant them in about 3 inches there. There. That. Got 2. And you want to plant the make sure the tips are pointing up and the flat bottom to the bottom there, and then just make sure that they're oriented in that direction. That way they grow up nice. And I'm going to put a layer of this one, skins come out of it. I'm going to put a layer of cut grass on top too to insulate it a little bit more, and then just let it go until spring. Hopefully by July I'll have some garlic. I still have mine from my garden, the ones I planted and harvested July. I still have those, and I'm going to use the rest of those too. Alright, that's almost, I think that's all of them. So I gotta plant, gotta mark it. So this is where I stopped at. So that's it for garlic. You probably do want to, I'm going to cover these up with a little bit of cut grass, just insulate it a little bit more. And I'm thinking by July I should have some garlic here. So I've got probably about maybe 30-40 cloves in there, and hopefully they all come up. And I'll keep you guys informed of what's going on here. And thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for watching and subscribe, and everybody else that subscribed to my channel, thank you very much, and take care guys. I'll see you guys soon.